Hello friends, my name is Fadia Syafila. I'm from 9A. Today I want to tell you a narrative text about fox and a cat. One day, a cat and a fox were having a conversation. The fox, who was a conceited creature, boasted how clever she was. Why, I know at least 100 tricks to get away from our mutual enemies, the dog. I know only one trick to get away from dogs. You should teach me some of yours. Well, maybe someday, when I have the time, I may teach you a few of the simplest ones. Just then, they heard the barking of a pack of dogs in the distance. The barking grew louder and louder. The dogs were coming in their direction. At once, the cat ran to the nearest tree and climbed into its branch, well out of reach of any dogs. This is the trick I told you about, the only one I know. Which one of your 100 tricks are you going to use? The fox said silently. The fox sat silently under the The fox sat silently under the tree, wondering which the trick she should use. Before she could make up her mind, the dog arrived. The fox sat silently under the tree, wondering which trick she should use. Before she could make up her mind, the dog arrived. They fell upon the fox and tore her to pieces. The moral is, a single plan that works is better than 100 double-fold plans. Goodbye and thank you.